Now that we have looked at how you can install WordPress themes on your WordPress website, we'll need to delete excess WordPress themes. In this video, I'll show you how to delete WordPress themes so that you can improve on your website performance and avoid overwhelming your website with inactive themes. Now let's begin with this video. And the reason why I'm doing this video is that from WordPress 5.2, there was something called site health screen that was introduced, or the site health check that was introduced. And if I check on this particular site health check of this particular website that we're creating, there's a recommendation. You should remove inactive themes. One thing that I like to mention is that you should always have at least an extra theme just in case you delete your themes accidentally. To delete a theme, all we need to do is just go to the appearance and then click on themes. And once we click on themes, we'll see all the themes that we have. This is the Generate Press theme that we just installed. This is the 2019 theme, the 2020 theme, and then we have the 2021 theme that was the default. Now, to delete a theme, all you need to do is just click on theme details. And then once you click on that, you're going to see this whole dashboard explaining everything about that particular theme. But to the bottom right, there's an option to delete. You'll just click on delete, and then you'll need to confirm, are you sure you want to delete this theme? You can cancel or you can click OK. Once you click OK, it's going to delete and it's going to be no longer available inside your WordPress dashboard. We can also do that for this particular 2019 theme. Click on theme details and then click on delete. Just click OK. And once we do that, our WordPress website is less 2 themes, which is pretty awesome and makes it a little bit secure because this is the most or the latest theme from WordPress, and this is the Generate Press theme that we're using, which is highly updated. So we can easily reduce on any security issues that we might run into or may be compromising our WordPress website. So that is how to delete our WordPress theme. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.